Morning students. Today now we are discussing about third chapter, human reproduction. So what is reproduction? The ability of organism can produce own kind of young is called reproduction. Okay, there are two type of reproduction are present. One is male reproductive system, another one is called female reproductive system. Okay, today now we are discussing about male reproductive system. Okay, but the male reproductive system present in where? The male reproductive system present in pelvic region of our body. Okay, that is here cervical region, thoracic region, lumbar region, then pelvic region, hip region. Okay, the male reproductive organ present in where? Pelvic regions of our body. Okay. Okay, but the male reproductive system, it can divided into two type of organ. One is called primary organ. Another one is called secondary organ. Primary reproductive organ, another one is called secondary reproductive organ. What are the example for primary reproductive organ? Primary reproductive organ, testis. Secondary means a helping accessory organ அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். இங்க accessory duct, accessory gland, okay, external genitalia or external genital apertures. Okay, accessory duct, accessory gland, external genitalia. Okay. But now testis. What is testis? The testis located into where? The testis located into outside of abdominal cavity with pouch. That is testis. For the outside of abdominal pouch, the pouch is called scrotum. The pouch is called scrotum. Okay, testis is a primary organ located into outside of abdominal cavity within pouch is called scrotum. Okay, what is scrotum? Pouch. Okay, the scrotum is a sac of skin that hang outside of abdominal cavity. Hang, kukimar. Okay, what are the uses? The scrotum acts as thermoregulator of spermatogenesis. Very important one more question. Thermoregulator. Thermoregulator of spermatogenesis. Okay. But in the normal testis cannot produce viable sperm. So, the scrotum or scrotal sac to reduce 2 to 3 or 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than normal. So, it is called thermoregulator of spermatogenesis. One more question. Scrotum acts as thermoregulator of spermatogenesis. That's all. Okay. The testis on a cross section. The testis covered by outer membrane. Okay, the outermost layer is called tunica albuginea. One more question. Tunica albuginea. The testis cover outermost layer. The testis cover outermost layer is called tunica albuginea. Then the testis divided into septa. The testis can divided into septa. Okay, how many sir? 2 to 250. 200 to 250 lobules. The testis covered by the layer is called tunica albuginea. Is the outermost layer of testis. Then In this testis can divided into divided by septa in many lobules. There are 200 to 250 lobules are present. Okay, each lobules containing 1 to 3 or 2 to 4. Okay, highly coiled tubules are present. Highly coiled tubules are present. So it is called seminiferous tubules. Understand? The each is septa, each lobules containing 1 to 3 or 2 to 4 coiled tubules present. So it is called seminiferous tubules. Okay, what are the uses for seminiferous tubules? The seminiferous tubules 80% of function. In the function, testicular function. The site of sperm production, 80% of sperm can produce in this region. What are the uses? Seminiferous tubules should uses sperm production. How many percentage? 80%. Okay, in the seminiferous tubules containing, there are two type of cell is present. Okay, there are two type of cell is present. One is called, that is sperm mother cell. One is called sperm mother cell. Okay, the second one is called Sertolic cells. Okay, there are two cells are present. One is Sertolic cell. Okay, one is called Sertolic cell. Second one is called industrial cell. Sertolic cell otherwise called nurse cell. Okay, one is called Sertolic cells. Okay, then another one is called spermatogonic cells. In the region level. Okay, spermatogonic. The spermatogonic cell otherwise called sperm mother cell. Spermatogonic cell otherwise called sperm mother cell. The Sertolic cell otherwise called nurse cell. Sertolic cell otherwise called nurse cell. But what are the uses for Sertolic cell? The Sertolic cell can use nourishment of sperm. Nourishment, feeding, food, provide the food to the organ sperm till maturation of sperm. Okay, to provide food, the Sertolic cell or nurse cell can providing nourishment of sperm at the maturity. Okay, then the Sertolic cell secrete the hormone is called inhibin. What are the uses of inhibin? Negative feedback mechanism of sperm production. What are the negative feedback mechanism? Inhibin. Positive means an increase. Positive increase. Negative stop. Negative feedback mechanism of sperm production. Inhibin. Stop பண்றது. அப்ப ஒரே லைன், the Sertolic cell otherwise called nurse cell. It can used for nourishment of sperm. Another one is called inhibin. The inhibin can negative feedback mechanism. The inhibin used for negative feedback mechanism of sperm cell. Understand? Okay, ரெண்டு spermatogonic cell or sperm mother cell. Okay, இதனுடைய main மேல sperm production. During the meiotic cell division, sperm production. ஒரே name. The spermatogonic cell or sperm mother cell உடைய uses formation of sperm during meiotic cell division. இதெல்லாம் inside the seminiferous tubules. Then outside of seminiferous tubules containing presence of any industrial cells. outside of seminiferous tubules containing interstitial cells, interstitial space, blood vessel, okay, etc. It can produce the interstitial cell, otherwise called Leydig cell. Interstitial cell, otherwise called Leydig. The Leydig cell oda uses na sir, produce androgen. It is endocrine nature. Testis act as endocrine nature. It can producing male hormone androgen. Okay, appo that is oda main use na androgen produce பண்றது. Androgen oda என்ன use என்ன? Stimulate spermatogenesis, sperm production, sperm உற்பத்தியை தூண்டுவதா என்னுடைய வேலை. Understand? அப்போ உங்களுக்கு என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு, தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டியது சென்ட்ரோலிக் செல், இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல் செல்ஸ், seminiferous tubules, tunica albuginea, scrotatoட uses, ஓகேவா? next testis, then next accessory organ, secondary organ. Accessory means helping organ, helping for reproduction. One is accessory tract, accessory gland, then external genitalia. Okay, but the accessory tract containing reti testis first, that is called reti testis. Reti testis. Okay, then second vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia, that is called epididymis. Epididymis in the region. Okay, then vasa deferentia. Okay, what are the accessory tract? One is called parapretitistis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, vasa deferentia. ஓகே, இப்போ எப்படி சார் இது ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆகுது? இப்போ இங்க இருக்கக்கூடிய seminiferous tubules in the testis, seminiferous tubules ல இருக்கக்கூடிய sperm transferred from seminiferous tubules of testis to vas efferentia through reti testis. The sperm transfer from seminiferous tubules of testis to vasa efferentia through reti testis. Okay, then vasa efferentia open to the epididymis. What is epididymis? Epididymis located into posterior part of the testis. What are the uses? Storage of sperm or sperm house. One more question. Epididymis act as storage of sperm. Epididymis act as storage of sperm. Then the epididymis tract open to the vasa deferentia or vasa deferens. When the vasa deferens receive seminal vesicle, prostate gland, pulpourethral gland. Understand that? But all the gland can producing seminal vesicle. The seminal vesicle containing more complex material and semen or sperm. Then it can opening to the urethra, urinary bladder. Finally, எங்க சார் அப்படினு கேட்டா the male genital organ, that is a penis, or external opening organ, penis. Okay, finally இது over. Then second, accessory gland. Okay, but the accessory gland, pair of seminal vesicle, pair of seminal vesicle. Next, pair of pulpourethral gland, pulpourethral gland, otherwise called Cowper's gland. One more question. Pulpourethral gland, otherwise called Cowper's gland. Okay, then prostate gland. How many prostate gland? Means only one prostate gland pair of seminal vesicle, pair of pulpourethral gland or Cowper's gland. But all the gland can secrete seminal vesicle. Okay, but the seminal vesicle containing what are the substance? Fructose, ascorbic acid, fructose sugar, ascorbic acid, prostaglandin, the enzyme containing vesiculase. The enzyme containing vesiculase. What are the use of vesiculase? Sperm motility. Okay, what is semen? Semen means milky fluid. The sperm containing seminal plasma. Then finally external genitalia penis. External genitalia penis. Okay, what is penis? Penis is a external genital organ or copulatory organ for during the reproduction. Okay, the enlargement of penis is called foreskin. Enlargement of penis is called foreskin. Okay, understand? But I will take a good question. Remaining repeated septolic, interstitial cell, then tunica albuginea, scrotal usus, temperature 1 to 2, 3, 2 to 4. Okay, but how many seminal vesicle, pulpourethral gland, prostaglandin gland, understand? But is the remaining female reproductive organ. The next class. Okay, thank you.